In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest on Revolut, so just follow these steps exactly. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Revolut app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, once Revolut opens, what you want to do next is go to the bottom menu and tap on Invest. Now, if this is your first time using the Invest feature, Revolut will ask you to set up investing. So just follow the on-screen steps, confirm your details, and answer a few basic questions. Now, once your investing account is set up, you'll be taken to the Invest dashboard, and here you can choose what you want to invest in. So you can select stocks, ETFs, or crypto, depending on what's available in your region. Now, after choosing what you want to invest in, just search for the company or asset you're interested in and tap on it. Now, once you're on the asset page, tap on Buy and then enter the amount you want to invest. Now, after entering the amount, just review the details and tap on Confirm, and your investment will be placed instantly. And that's it. That's how you invest using Revolut. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.